Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Unong aiktian ke BJP Meghalaya uba Mariahom kharkrang. Ulong ba ke BJP Meghalaya ka kwa Ïakhun ni ke election MP shteng samoy na Shillong constituency haluk sabha. Ulong ba usnam arja arpusauru ka kwa Ïakhun ni ke election MP henry kira yo hukum bagi hak ban kershan ya ke perlok ke NPP. Ulong menta kila long balakre bat kila don kumbah henringut ki kertong bat menta kidang ap ya karai na Delhi. Ulapan pau ke jingkerman bagi BJP na Delhi kan shimya karai ban syak yaki Ïakhun ya ke election. Dak bapan pau balada ke BJP Meghalaya kan yeng Ïakhun kinyo iya ke jingkiu ki bavut. Harbede bat ke FCRA amendment bill uba kharkrang udaong bagi BJP Meghalaya kala kerpa deka sarkar India bahaswa ban shimya karai ba khadu halor kani ke bill kade bane phliu jingmut shwa bat baro ki bedan benta. Udaong bagi sarkar India menta kadang pensa teng shwa ya kani bat ukermen bakan pentri kam tangla daladap bani kranya selong bat baro ki bedan benta.
Seems the party has decided to contest.
I've said it earlier and I'll say it again. As a party, we would like to contest all the elections. In fact, in the earlier elections, 2009, 2024 also we were ready to contest. But of course, we got direction that we should support our partners. And this time also we are ready. And in fact, we have already had almost around about 5 to 6 aspiring candidates. And we hope that the central leadership takes a decision that we should contest elections. And once we contest elections, and I'm very sure that you'll see the vote share of the BJP increase substantially this time.
The party is in favor of cabinet minister Sangu Chudai.
No, whoever that the party will decide. Right now, I cannot say. Let the party decide. But whoever candidate comes up will be a candidate acceptable to all. And I'm very sure whoever stands, whichever candidate who contests this election from the BJP candidate, as a BJP candidate, will see a substantial increase in the vote share of the party.
Will you be appealing to the MDA partners to support your candidate?
We will ask everyone to support our candidate.
The common candidate?
No, there's been no talk about a common candidate right now. No talk about common candidate.
Okay, also you can tell us about the district council.
He has written to the government and including all the BJP senior leaders also that before they decide anything on the FCRA, they have requested that the government take everyone to consultation first. All the stakeholders now will be affected by whatever amendment can take place, and the government has put the bill on hold, and we expect that the government of India will take due action only after consultations with all the stakeholders. So that is the stand right now, is that the proposal for the amendment has been put on hold.
Coming back.